This is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show how you can bypass or turn off parental controls on this device. First order of business is to launch settings, then enter the Google category, tap Manage your Google account button, onwards open the Data and Privacy, and go for the Delete your Google account option. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the account password, so let me quickly do that off the camera. Then hit the Next button and complete the account deletion. At this point, the parental controls should have been already turned off, so let me quickly check that. Yep, so there is no Google account here, and no parental controls as well. Now I will quickly show how you can recover the Google account. That is as easy as signing into any Google app or service. With it, of course, I usually go with the Play Store. Doesn't matter which Google app you'll go for yourself. So input the account email address. This is the message you should see, so follow this message by inputting the account password. And well, by the fact that we can continue or proceed with the sign-in, you can already tell that the account was successfully restored. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.